Yeah, welcome to our final episode on Inter-Exchange Arbitrage series. And in this one, what you're going to learn is how to ensure that the situation on the destination exchange is favorable for you. I know you want to learn about that, so go ahead and give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now, before we go into that very important practical, do you know that we have just released our ebook titled 5 Mega Strategies? Now, these are my most important parameters, my steps, my strategies that have helped me get over 85% win rate on my trades, especially in spot trading, of course. But you can always apply this to other trading avenues. If you want to get this ebook at a very, very ridiculous price, click on the link in the description to chat with me. It also comes with a video tutorial so that you can learn more. Okay, so let's get into what our Wonder Tool told us to do today. We are unveiling the signal for the day. So let's go check it. Wait for it. Wait for it. It is OM. OM. This is a coin that I have traded with many, many times and I have made money with it. Now, this is Binance, okay? So you have to be conservative with the profits you get, but it still gives profit, right? So we have OMUSDT on Binance that we are going to be buying, and then we are going to sell it off on KuCoin for profit. Okay, so let's quickly go check whether we're going to make money before we start looking at all the explanations. So let's put in $100 very quickly. Let me first of all try and reload to be sure that the price is good. So let's go quickly and then let's copy what we have. So we copy that very quickly and then we run over to KuCoin. But before we do that, let's quickly check. Let's check whether we can actually withdraw this. Okay, so and what is the price for withdrawing? It says on-chain withdraw, and then we put OM, and let's see how much it will give us. Okay, let's send it via crypto, and then we check on the network. Very, very important. So it's called Mantra. So all these other ones are not available. It says suspended, but this one is good. So you can see it's 0.000. Oh my god, this is a very tiny amount. Very tiny amount. Let's hope we can deposit this. So we're going to run quickly to KuCoin. All right, so we're here on KuCoin and we want to see whether we can deposit it. Okay, so I'm going to put this here just to quickly be sure that we can deposit it. Put OM there, and then let's search for that. OM. Okay, OM, and then we'll see whether we can deposit this. Very important. If we can't, we have to get out. Okay, so look at this. We can see that the mantra is working. Yeah, so we can actually deposit it. Good. So this is a good one, right? So let's quickly go back to Mr. Binance. So we're going to look at everything quickly, and I'm going to share with you that particular thing that's going to help you. On the other side, you don't want to get stuck with your trade, especially when you've bought it and you're sending it to the other side. You need to take this into very important consideration so that you don't make a mistake that a couple of people have made. So now we come back here. Let us check it one after the other again. Make sure you reload it. Put in your $100. So we saw that we could actually withdraw this. So how much do we have here? Oh my God, what's happening? Let's be sure that there's profit, right? So we're going to put in $100 and then we copy what we get here. Copy, okay? So now that we've copied that, we are sure we can actually send it over. So let's go see that we can actually get profit from this, okay? Let's go over to KuCoin. So we were able to see that we could deposit it. It's very important before we start talking about profit. Okay, so now I'm in OM. Let me reload this, put the current price, and we are actually selling, right? So let's put that in there. Okay, so I can see that we've got profit. We've got 1.36 profit. Now you should realize that Binance at times can be a bit stingy with their profits, but it's okay. We'll take that as long as the transfer fees are almost negligible. So that means this 1.3 percent profit is almost clean. I mean, you'll be able to get $1.20, maybe 7 or 28 cents, and that's cool, right? Now, we have to check something very important, and that's the charts. Remember, I told you that when we get to look at the destination, exchange, something very important is the charts. Not only that, we also want to check the volume. So what's the volume of this? It's 4.42 million. So that's really cool. OM is a good coin. I've traded it a couple of times, so I know it's really good. Okay. Now, the next thing is that we want to look at the situation. Now, KuCoin doesn't have SAR. That's where the problem is. Why don't they have SAR? Because I'm so annoyed. Maybe they have even updated now. No, they don't have. They still have only Bollinger Band. So that's what I use in place of SAR. Now, when you see the Bollinger Bands open up, that means that the conditions are favorable. You can see that it's actually a wide mouth Bollinger Band. That means that the conditions, it has a lot of opportunities in the trading ecosystem. That's why you can see we have a big jump of the green, and then it's trying to struggle a bit, but there's still more opportunities within. So once you see that this is increasing and not decreasing, I would say that you can take the trade. But I am a little bit concerned about this little struggle boss going on here, because it's trying to decide on its direction. So if you're not sure of the direction, you can actually choose the 1 minute time frame to see the direction that it is actually moving. And you can see that this is an upward trajectory. It's an upward trajectory. So in the 1 minute time frame, it's actually going up, even though this last candle is a red one, but you can see that it's going up, but there's a slight bend towards straightness. So I would say watch this a little bit to be sure. At least if you're able to quickly use the order book. Let me go and check the order book. Let's go back to our 60 minutes. Let's now check the order book, because the order book is also very key. You need to look at all of these parameters. You look at the volume, you look at the trajectory of the upward movement of the coin, of the candles, and then you look at if you have to buy it outrightly. How much can you buy outrightly? Now look at it. The amount that we put here was how much? I think, yes, 1,297. 1,297, right? So we are supposed to sell it, right? So we want to be sure that we can get it sold immediately. So this is 1.71k pieces can get sold immediately. Now, when you want to get sold immediately, let me show you something that's really key. And if you want to really, really make sure that you get it sold immediately, you have to choose the lower price. So that means even though you have this one in the middle, forget about it. Choose the first green, and then you try to put in the amount that you copied. Okay, it's not much profit, but there's a little bit of profit, 76 cents, because we chose the lower price. Okay, but if we don't choose the lower price and we choose the normal price, we also make profit. The only things that you just have to, oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened, my people? The price has gone down. It has dipped a bit. So we saw $1.30. Of course, don't forget that when you're talking about arbitrage signals, they don't last forever. We had $1.30. If I took the trade immediately at that point, I would have made that amount of money. But because I'm explaining to you, things are changing, right? So you have to understand this. Make sure that you use the order book. Make sure that you use the volume. Make sure that you also look at the trajectory of the chart before you make a trading decision. I hope you learned a lot. So if you want to get access to our Wonder Tool, you are going to get either 7 days or 30 days login access. You will also get access to our training program. You will get access to the recording of the extensive class on how to use the platform. And not only that, you'll get my ebook for free, and 2 or 3 days of one-on-one live session with me. I'm telling you, you can't beat this offer. Just click on the link in the description and we will be chatting. I hope you've learned a lot from this inter-exchange arbitrage series. Let me know what your thoughts are about this. Let me know what your concerns are about this, and I'll be willing to listen to you and of course chat with you. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.